I say, there I'm a scroll social media, see? I'm a punch up on something where some people say, MASICKA say a young people time. But
may I represent for one media fox. Media fox, media fox. How the latest news them lock. Media fox, media fox. Trending, non stop. Media fox, media fox. How the latest report them.
I don't know media fox, you know what thing set, you see it. People, I don't know where them get that brother, you know. The artist and the Vybz machine. You understand? It's like you have to wonder what really are going with them money. See? Especially when them say Gaza. Man here color up and look like him put in extension or something. You understand? But listen what I say, people.
there I'm a scroll social media, see? I'm a punch up on something where some people say, MASICKA say a young people time. But nothing is further from the truth. Everybody time. And let me tell you this. Bill Gates, them a big man. See? Trump, them a big man. And Joe Wellness, them around the country, a big man.
True.
See? And they're still successful and they still do them thing and they still keep the country going. See? So let me tell you this. Me and them about vybzkartel all and vybzkartel. Them fi tell you say a bad mind, them bad mind. Cause they...
Brother, what you mean by people in bad man? Bro, vybzkartel soon turn 50, dog. You understand? Enough for the artists them in a dancehall where past 50, bro. Come on, brother. The people them must say, yo, the man do him thing now. Time is up. But I would the crying, bro. You understand? Brother, uno as artist, you know, bro. Me see what y'all try do, you know. Y'all try gain some Gaza fans, you know. But bro, Gaza fans not care about you, bro. Bro, rather than you dip on the media every day, bro, like, brother, go in the studio and go find some song, dog. You understand? Go find some song, brother. Is what me try to say, cause what you say every day upon the media, bro, it nah make no sense, dog. Me see ya try gain the Gaza fans them. Me see ya try put out some song. I try this artist. You understand? But bro, it nah work out for you, dog. You understand? Yeah, brother.
Can't believe vybzkartel forward the road and them say how much and he still a dominate dancehall. Saying a bad mind and just want get out the G, Zane, and them a use cardboard young people. Let me tell you this, at everybody time, as long as you live and can do what you have to do in a year work, a year time said we. Don't be fool people, you hear that? A bad mind, the Gaza general, a one goat and a one vybzkartel. You see, why not, if a young people time, why not do what you have to do and take over dancehall? Zane, a 13 year the G stays on their prison, on their road, and never take over dancehall.
Brother, I don't know what you try to talk about, you know, bro. Bro, you not try to mix up social media with dancehall, dog. Bro, now get the thing wrong, brother. When you talk about all and every little thing, bro, where do you when the crown thing with Una and Beanie Man? And I say, yo, Beanie Man, wash up now, him get all you know. You understand? What the problem? Una see him one. So if somebody found out and say, yo, Kartel Ray, bro, Kartel I turn 15, a dog. That Una realize what I go on, you know. You see what I try to say? But me know say, bro, you are found out and I try to gain some Gaza fan. Me see if I'm with you, cause people them a post up and all of them, so you go keep on forward. But brother, go in the studio go find some song, dog. Focus on the music, bro, and stop come out here a defend man when I defend on, bro. Kartel now call up on the stage, brother. Him now gain a highlight. You understand? Una artist, bro. Go focus on the music, brother. And stop talk some shit on the media. You understand?
And the G forward back and still a dominate dancehall. I don't claim say a young people time. Oh no can't trick with that. A bad mind on a bad mind. Let me tell you this. vybzkartel are the king of dancehall and are the goat of dancehall. And none of the little boy can size up with the man about young people time and everybody time. Until the day you're alive, your time expire. But as long as you live and can do what you have to do, a year time set.
You know why funniest thing? People, them mania, see Kartel, they on TikTok, social media, and all of them so man. See? And I go viral and say that is dancehall. Bro, and music run dancehall, brother. Music. Kartel the absence from the space. Him a do him shows them, bro. You understand? You no keep on use this show thing. Yeah, it look good for dancehall and thing, bro. But bro, where's the music from the artist? Where the song them there? Una talk about run dancehall with what, brother? The man run the social media, bro. TikTok. You understand? Instagram, them little thing there. The man run, brother. We not see no music and music run dancehall, bro. Dancehall is about music, brother. No about no TikTok, about no TikTok runnings or no social media gimmicks thing or whatsoever, dog. And anytime people found out, from Kartel release from prison, yo, no badmine man. When the people them talk the facts, when I talk about badmine. Bro, I own a badmine, brother. Because when the artists do things out there, when I say, yo, I Kartel him a follow, you know? Yo, I Kartel this. Nobody can do nothing. I even celebrate if one artist found out and them a show them plaque. Yo, Kartel come out with man a show plaque now. When you look, artists a do show. Oh, yeah man, film ticket them cheap, man. In expensive like Kartel ticket them. I no bad mind, bro. Because when other people do things out there, you don't want to give them the credit like how people get Kartel the credit. You understand? Yeah, man.
Yeah, you hear that? Because last time I checked, the richest man, him about how much? Big man. Bigger than vybzkartel.
Vybz Kartel.
Yo. I tell you, brother. Brother, let me tell you this, brother. Go buy one dye in one shop or something, brother, and black back your ear. Can I come like say blue here, make your head? It a mad you. You understand? Bro, Vybz machine. Brother, go in the studio, dog, go write some song and something, bro. This, me say you try gain the Gaza fans and the Gaza attention. Maybe you try gain the Kartel thing, you understand? Bro, just go work on your music and your career, dog. You understand? Because the little Kartel thing now work for you, dog. You understand? Yeah, man, the little thing, it now work for you, brother. Every day you get up, dog, when artist, brother. When artist, no regular people where when I have nothing ambition, nothing for do, brother. Yeah, release song. You don't realize that's why you can't boss. Because you not focus on the next man thing. You not carry a next man legacy. You not carry full legacy, brother. You understand? When Kartel time gone and everything, what you go do? You not go depend on the media every day. A different one man. And you not artist, bro. Kartel a do what him for do. Him a do him shows him a collect him millions. I set him legacy for him pitney them. What you know do as artist? For set full thing for legacy. Eh? And that's why enough of one, bro, no boss. Because I'm so focused on the next man problem, next man career, and what people have to say about next man damn fool no career. You understand? But people, see a next artist named Animosity, a one with fully bad boss in forehead, put on big cocoa in him forehead. Because I tell you about them artists, you know, him sit down in a car, like he want diss up people for Kartel. Brother, you know, go find some time, go do some music, brother. You don't have nothing to do. Do some music, get some hit song, dog. You know they in a business for years and now you can't boss. But listen, people.
Is the next Bob Marley. This is why ...
That video, kind of found love run forward and the man comment section. Let me tell you this, me not look no cloud for no artist, and me not look no ratings, me not look no boss for no artist. Music or no music, hit song or no hit song, me bills them have to pay and me out them have to go good school. And we have to live lavish. See, so now that we get that out of the way, me go in it now.
Animosity. Brother, you know why fully bad boss your forehead? Because you're enough, dog. You chat too much. You understand? When you coyote a war and you run up on stage, go interfere in a war and man bust your forehead. Bro, you say you don't want to hype and all look away from the artist. Then why you come out and chat a different artist then? Why you talk about Kartel if you don't want no clout or you don't want nothing? Why you couldn't go in one studio or go deal with your business or whatsoever? And you say you don't want no clout. Bro, you don't love attention as man, you know, brother. Me I tell you, you know. You know, bro, it's like you focus on Kartel thing more than phone career, dog. But listen what I say, people.
No for uno, when they on the internet, we are going like we deal with righteousness. We are going like we deal with righteousness, we are going like we deal with positivity, and we are going like we against crime and violence. One is nothing but a Vybz Kartel hater. See? Vice Cartel from Vice Cartel forward out from prison. Only thing I see this man I deal with is positivity, unity, family. See? The man all put out gospel song. From Vice Cartel come out of jail, not even one gun song. Me not see the man put out in a brother. All the man I do is sell out shows, you know. See?
You just said something a while ago. All the man I do is sell out shows. Brother, I know so it work. Everybody know why Kartel has sell out the show them, bro. You have to stop it, dog. Kartel no go these places. Him never did do no performing, brother. The other rest of artists them been performing, dog. You understand? Yeah, my him shows them, yeah, he look good for dancehall. That is it. Him now no song. We are dominate nowhere right now. You understand? And that's a fact, bro. But yeah, I'm not gonna say people bad mind. I'm not realize reality. You see what I try to say? So you forward out attack a one bag of thing, bro. You say you don't want to clout off an artist. But you turn on your camera and sit down in a car up on live and I talk about people a bad mind artists when you have phone or career if you go sort out. You understand? Bro, you have to allow media and go focus on the artistry, bro. You understand? Yeah, man.
And all you do, I try to dig up something from the past. A long time I telling you say Serpino legitimate in a brother. Because when Vybz Kartel, when he can't find no more dirt on Vybz Kartel, him start trying to batty up the man thing and that still could stop the man. You get to me I say? No for who no. We are talking about Gaza this and Gaza that we Kartel go give him strength. I tear me soon I try to tear down the man in a brother. The man go to the platform and go to start. I want to make the most of it. Just like popcorn, look on popcorn. In look on popcorn, on the tear down popcorn and say popcorn are inform and popcorn are this and popcorn are one of the few man. Miss it buy a brand new Rolex and put on Vybz Kartel. And when Vybz Kartel forward out.
Brother, stop your shit, brother. Stop your shit, bro. You go and like say people just get up and say popcorn are informer. Brother, remember say Kartel and Tamili them been singing songs so yo the man are informer, bro. You remember him son them sing songs so them not just popcorn. Brother, what you did there, dog? Stop forward on the media and chat crap, my youth. You understand? It's like you talk, but you not talk, bro. Go find some song, though, brother. You say it come like say fan from fully bad put that cocoa in your forehead. It's like, I don't know. It's like your sense is just gone, bro. What you mean by Ray and man by Rolex? Bro, Popcorn did have to do that. You understand? Him did have to do it. Him not have a choice. You understand? Him don't have a choice, bro. Everybody see what I go on and know what I go on, bro. You understand? All if him have to pay a hypocrite and give him one watch, bro. Not going, bro. It's just a watch that, brother. You're going like say man buy Kartel one car or one house or what? It's just a watch, bro. You understand? That's nothing.
Prison and popcorn now look no handout. You get to me and say? Never brat or never sprat or never the cat. Seeing? Here's a nuisance you cannot fight war with clad food stamps. You're not getting no show nobody now listening to new songs. I 1.8 million Kartel US, not Jamaican, 1.8 million US Kartel get a show in a brother. So how you have to go up against a giant like that?
Animosity, you know, say you come like a girl where Kartel usually have and you come out a defend. Me no know you are talk about Devabrat and go against and it's bro, you know no song? You and Devabrat in the same category, bro. You understand? Because at the end of the day, if Kartel never forward out and I bring up about the raping thing, the man wouldn't see him, brother. The man wouldn't see him. So what you talk about if somebody forward out and start bring up rape thing with your name, where you go to sit down? You understand? Then you start talk about money now. Oh, you forward with 1.5 million and whatever, bro. How you left from that? Forward this and I forward with money. Bro, yo, me tell you, say, yo. Them brother, yeah. Me I tell you, brother, if them they have the energy if you put in a them own career, like how them have the energy I put in a Kartel thing. Yeah, man. In a Kartel career or Kartel legacy, maybe them would have reached far as an artist. But them money, bro, Jano, bro, them money just, me I tell you, bro. So my time, I have to just shit me that me I say, yo, them brother, why them can't put them energy in a them own self, them career? Every day them get up, yo, Kartel, bro, y'all look hype right now, bro. Y'all look hype right now. You understand? Kartel name a calling at the media right now. And you just want forward out for say something for sake. So you try defend. Cause you want to look a clout. But you say yo, you not look no clout, you not look no strength for your man. From the man. Then why you forward out and attack for your sake, for your man then, brother? Jano.
If you understand, say, Vybz Kartel past certain level, him cannot be stopped again. Him only can get bigger and bigger and reach the level now like Bob Marley. And if I not go see him greatness until him pass away, God forbid. Because when Bob Marley was alive, Bob Marley never get the ratings when him get. Like when time him drop out. So Kartel are going to be around forever. Kartel a dancehall column. Let me tell you this. No for when we are talking about kingship and this and that, brother. Look into it. These new artists, most of these artists, majority, 90% of these artists were forward after Vybz Kartel. Tell me one thing on our sing board. But Vybz Kartel never sing board.
People, you know so that I always see them do this. Why these people compare Kartel with these young artists? Bro, Kartel in the game for about 30 odd years, brother. Them money are just bust. Some of them bust 2 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year, 10 year, bro. And I compare a elderly man with young youths, dog. It should be a shame, bro. I saw Kartel thing, Lily. Who now compare them young youth with Kartel, brother? I wanna get up, every day, and chat one bag of nonsense, bro. You understand? But people, listen to what I say.
If a scamming, Kartel sing about scamming already. If a freaky girl, Kartel sing about freaky girl. If a bleaching, Kartel sing about bleaching. If a hobby, Kartel sing about hobby. With the cloth, you not sing about the Kartel. So only for one be king. Eh? In order to be king, you have to set trend. You get to me, I say? See, that's why look into this. When Gully and Gaza are warring, brother, a real clash shot of fire and real people get gunshot in a real life, And with all of that, brother, my father, just listen to my father when the man Kartel a war. My father, even at the middle of the war, my father same day a road a wait till Kartel come out. In at the middle of the war, just listen about the song them. For sure you say my father don't have no hatred or no bad mind against Kartel. Anybody was supposed to have any vendetta against Kartel, then have to be my father. And for my father can say big up at Vybz Kartel, brother, who is when Kartel never do nothing. We not even know. Any man who say Kartel dash way or Kartel a friend killer and this, only did know them. Only did for them out the family member, who not them a friend. Eh?
People, you hear what the man attack? The man say, whatever guy Kartel do, if we know them, or whatsoever. Brother, wanna stay so, dog? Animosity, how you stay so? Through the brother and your family, and the people them who are talk about the situation and for them family, means that nobody enough to talk about the person. Bro, I'm telling you already, bro. You see on the mindset? Yeah, man. It show how the mindset stay, bro. You have a vile mindset, brother. Vile. You understand? Vile. You see the situation we go on. But because I know full family, life get take away. You no business. You understand? For sure on the mindset, dog. Right now you talk like a sheep, brother. You talk like a sheep. You understand? Because how people see the situation and maybe feel about the situation. Alright, first of all, you are talking about if a family. You and Kartel a family. But you come out every day, attack and a defend Kartel though. Kartel are not your family, brother. He man not nobody to you. So how you forward out and attack? And then you go cuss people. Say yo, people are talking about this and that. But you, we and Kartel and no family nothing. We never see your name link. See? And you there attack and I defend him. Nobody know if look upon you and tell you say yo. The same situation where you say people have to talk about whatever life get take with, bro. When a vile dog, you understand? Me I tell you no, brother.
One of those are some Vybz Kartel hater. I mean, not say that. You see it when I try bring down a man who can't bring down, brother. It's either want to work with it or no. Just watch greatness. Can't stop greatness. See it? I mean, not beg no friend. Ask any artist if ever reach out to them and beg friend. A business me do with artists. Get shows for them and get dog plate and all of them things there. Me not beg that friend.
Then, brother, you saw them people stay? Yo, yeah, man rant a while ago, you know. The man rant a while ago. Him is an artist and him have him career for focus pan. You understand? Hear how this a man here go on. You see me? But it shows you say, yo, this is why a lot of them feel in the music. Them so passionate as an artist for forward upon the media. And I bash people for them opinion. But them now put that same energy there in a for them career. You understand? For them career. It matter like a bag of things. See? I tell you now already. We see when the reality hit, we don't understand in a dog. You understand? Remember say this man fought from prison, you know. He never do enough of them shows and certain little things. You see it? You see when all of that gone, brother, we not go realize, dog. And I hope when that time they fall, we don't have the same energy. You see it? Cause we not pre-dancehall as social media thing. And that's how it work, bro. We not try to mix up social media with dancehall. Remember say when dancehall did back in the 90s, you know, social media wasn't there. You understand? We don't remember that. But people, you don't know, you know. I want media facts, you know. That is it.